Hi there, Mia.
Oui, maman.
Wow, the tree looks beautiful. Good job.
Non, malade.
Uh-oh, the bulb is shorting out. Oh no! Fire! Quick, grab the presents, Mia.
Oh. Hey. Oh. Huh?
Hang on, I'll get Maverick.
Oh.
Ha! Ha!
Maverick, we need your help, and fast! Let's go! The Christmas tree is burning up! What should we do?
Maman, oui, maman.
Wait, Max! We need you! There's a fire! Follow us! Hurry, guys! Don't worry, Mia. Max and Maverick are here to help. Quick, use your hose, Max! That's it! Phew! Great job!
Ooh.
It's okay, Mia. We'll find a new tree. Don't worry.
Maman!
Good idea, Maverick. Mia, do you think you can spot a replacement tree from the sky?
Non, malade.
Awesome! Let's do it!
Ha.
See any good ones yet?
Oui, maman.
Oh, you're right. That one is perfect. We'll meet you there. Here it is. What do you think?
Hey!
Ah. Blue.
Yes, it does look a little bare. But where can we get more decorations? Miranda! Wow! Look at all those decorations. It's so kind of you to share.
Oui, maman.
You're right, Mia. That is the spirit of the season. I'm so glad you all worked together to save the holiday. The tree looks beautiful.
Non, malade. Ouh, chamourou. Oui, maman.
Yes, Mia, we can open presents now.
Ouh. Oh, oui, maman.
Maman, oui, maman. Đi là. Ah, maman,
Oh.
What is it? A fire extinguisher. Good one, Maverick. Better safe than sorry.
Maman, oui, maman.
Huh? Huh?
Happy holidays, Monster Town. And we'll see you next time, friends.
Hey.
Hey guys, are you? Sorry, I'll let you concentrate. Uh-oh, you got all tangled up. What a mess! Maybe we should get Maverick to help. Hey Maverick, practicing your long jump for the Monster Town Olympics?
Hey,
That was very good. But can you help Milo, Mitch, and Max?
Hey.
They got their ropes tangled up playing Skittle Ball. You think you can help?
Mama, đi nè má.
All right, let's go! Mo, is that the best way to carry paint? Mo, can you help us out? Milo, Mitch, and Max got all tangled up. Thanks, Mo. Mo, you better put those down. Hey guys, Maverick and Mo are here to get you untangled.
Oh, ho, ho.
You have an idea, Mo? Okay, we're gonna need some more space then.
Hey.
Okay, Mo needs to work something out. You guys think you can manage this?
Oh.
Hey.
Guys, you did it! Thanks for your help, guys! What are you guys gonna do now? You wanna go bowling? Sounds fun! Bye-bye, everyone!
Mo.
Hi there, Miranda. What happened in here? Oh, you're making a cure that will cheer up Mia? Gee, Mia, I'm sorry you're feeling so blue.
Mo.
Oh no, you're out of Happy Bird eggs. Without those, the cure won't work. I bet Maverick can find the missing ingredient. I'll fetch him. Don't worry. Hey, Maverick. I bet you couldn't hear me over your engine. Miranda is making a cure to cheer up Mia, but she can't find any of Happy Bird eggs. Can you help? Great. Let's get you ready for action. Hi, Malcolm.
Hello.
Are you having fun?
Whoa.
Here's Maverick. Malcolm, we're on a mission to find some Happy Bird eggs. It's to cheer up Mia. Can you help us? Hey, wait for us, Malcolm. Great. Miranda joined us. Come on, guys. According to Miranda, there might be happy birds in that cave, but... Hey, Malcolm, I wasn't done talking.
Phew.
Yikes, that's definitely not a happy bird. A nest. Aha, those are happy bird eggs for sure. I say we climb up there and give it a look. So, how are you going to get all the way up there? That's much too dangerous, Maverick. Aha! That's a splendid solution, Miranda. That ought to shake those eggs loose. There it goes. Quick, catch the eggs. Don't let them break. Phew, you did it. That was amazing. You're right. We must take care of Mia. Let's head back. Uh-oh. It's not happy we took the eggs. Wow. What was that? What is it, Maverick? Uh-oh. The roar must have shaken it loose. Go, go, go! Quick, turn left. Yikes. That was sure close. Now, let's get these eggs back to Mia.
Hey.
Finally, the sun came up. Hey, guys. Wow, you look so perky this morning. Even Malcolm is in a good mood. Oh, hi, Mia. It's so good to see you flying again. Did Miranda's cure work? This is great. See you next time, friends.
Oh no, a fire! What's that sound? Phew, here's Max. We need to put out this fire, quick! What's wrong? You're out of water? Should we call Maverick for help? Your alarm's ringing, Maverick. Better go see who needs you.
Hey.
The construction site's on fire.
Oh.
And Max is almost out of water.
Oh.
Let's get out of here and help him put the fire out. Hey, Mike! We have a problem. The construction site is on fire, and Max has run out of water. Mike's got an empty tank. We could fill it with water and take it back to Max. Mike, I think Maverick could do with some help. Great job, guys. Now, let's go find some water.
What's wrong? You're worried the tank is filling too slowly.
Binama, dilala.
Oh dear, we'd better think of something. Fast!
Manana, manama, inamama.
Maverick wants to know if you've got a second pipe. You do? There it is, Maverick. But what are you going to do with it?
Oh.
Hey, Max, look who's here.
Manana, manama, inamama.
They brought you more water. Amazing job, Max. You saved the construction site. You couldn't have done it without the help of your good friends Maverick and Mike. See you guys next time.
Hey guys, follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.